The basics of sleep cycles. Sleep is often treated as a passive state, something that simply happens when we are tired. In reality, sleep is a highly organized, biologically active process that follows predictable patterns across the night. Understanding these patterns, known as sleep cycles, is foundational for grasping how sleep supports physical health, emotional regulation, learning, memory, and psychological well-being. At its most basic level, sleep is not a single uniform state. Instead, it unfolds in repeating cycles, each lasting roughly 90 to 110 minutes. Over the course of a typical night, most adults move through 4 to 6 complete sleep cycles. Each cycle consists of 2 broad categories of sleep: non-rapid eye movement, non-REM sleep, and rapid eye movement, REM sleep. Non-REM sleep, building the foundation. Non-REM sleep makes up the majority of our total sleep time and occurs first in every cycle. It progresses through stages that move from light sleep to deep sleep. Light sleep marks the transition from wakefulness to sleep. Brain activity slows, muscles relax, and awareness of the environment fades. Intermediate sleep represents stable, sustained sleep. This stage plays an important role in learning and memory consolidation. Deep sleep, often called slow-wave sleep, is the most physically restorative phase. During this stage, the body prioritizes tissue repair, immune functioning, and energy restoration. Awakening from deep sleep is difficult, and this stage is most prominent early in the night. REM sleep, the active brain. After progressing through non-REM stages, the brain enters REM sleep. Although the body is deeply relaxed, almost paralyzed, the brain becomes highly active. REM sleep is where most vivid dreaming occurs, and it plays a central role in emotional processing, creativity, and the integration of information learned during the day. As the night progresses, REM periods become longer and more frequent, while deep non-REM sleep becomes shorter. This shift is a normal and essential part of healthy sleep architecture. The night as a whole. An important principle to understand is that not all hours of sleep are equal. The early part of the night is dominated by deep restorative sleep, while the latter part of the night is dominated by REM sleep. When sleep is cut short, whether due to late nights, early alarms, or sleep disruption, it is often REM sleep that is most affected, which can impair mood regulation, attention, and cognitive performance the following day. Sleep cycles are also regulated by 2 interacting systems: a timing system, our internal biological clock, that determines when we feel sleepy or alert; a pressure system that builds the longer we stay awake and is relieved during sleep, particularly deep sleep. When these systems are aligned, sleep feels refreshing. When they are disrupted by stress, substances, irregular schedules, or light exposure, sleep quality suffers, even if total sleep time appears sufficient. Why this matters. Understanding the basics of sleep cycles helps explain why sleep is so tightly linked to mental health, academic performance, emotional resilience, and physical recovery. It also clarifies why just getting more hours is not always enough if sleep architecture itself is disrupted. Disclaimer and preview: this lecture has introduced only the foundational structure of sleep cycles. In upcoming sessions, we will examine the sleep stages in greater depth, explore how sleep cycles change across the lifespan, and analyze how stress, trauma, substances, and sleep disorders alter normal sleep architecture.